Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Let's go have a look. Cooking whilst on the road shouldn't be a chore, and in our range topping silver line we have a full oven, griller and 4-burner gas cooktop. To operate the oven you must lift the lid to turn off the gas safety feature. The top here we have 4 gas burners operated by the knobs at the front and also your ignition switch here on the left hand side. So to ignite one of your 4 gas burners, push the ignition and turn the knob and set to the desired temperature. Below that we've got our griller and our grill tray, and then below that is a full oven with a light. To ignite your oven, turn the knob to the left hand side and hit the ignition at the same time, and then to turn the griller on, turn the knob to the left hand side and hit the ignition at the same time. Once you've finished cooking your favourite meal, you can close the cooktop, but only do so when the oven has cooled down. That covers the basics of your cooktop, griller and oven combo. For more information, please refer to your owner's manual. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.